Our courts are often overlooked and not fully understood, but they are important for all of us. The laws we live by must be enforced fairly so that all people may live in a free, safe, and just society. A 2022 survey from the Annenberg Public Policy Center showed less than half of all Americans, just 47%, can name all three branches of government: the legislative, executive, and judicial. Sadly, 1 in 4 people couldn't name any branches of government at all. Less than half of Americans knew that the Supreme Court has the final word on whether an act by a president is constitutional. And only 55% knew that a 5-4 ruling by the Supreme Court is law and must be followed. This shows we have some work to do as citizens. In the United States, we believe in self-government. That means we, the people, rule ourselves and govern our own affairs. But if we are to govern ourselves well, we need basic knowledge to make the right decisions. The purpose of this 3-part video series is to learn more about the judicial branch, which is a co-equal branch of government, meaning our courts are just as important as the president or Congress. When we talk about the judicial branch, or the judiciary, we're talking about the judges who decide cases or legal disputes in trial or on appeal. Appeals take place when one party feels a court applied the law incorrectly and wants a higher court to review the decision. Importantly, the judicial branch also includes jurors, everyday citizens like you and me, who listen to the evidence, decide who is telling the truth, and apply the facts to the law. Jurors are entrusted with this power and given this responsibility in our country. The jury's role is absolutely vital in our system of government, making sure our justice system is connected to the people and the communities it serves. That's why jury service is so crucial. This series will cover important topics like the difference between common and statutory law, our civil and criminal courts, the appellate review process and the Supreme Court, as well as protections built into our judicial system. I know that sounds like a lot, but don't worry, we'll break it all down. Our goal is to make this information understandable and even entertaining, so you are empowered as a citizen. This video series is made possible by the following donors and generous supporters like you. Please share it with your friends and join us in episode 2 to learn more.